2019 Camry. I'm doing the upper window belt. First, what you want to do, well, first I'm doing this one up here. What you want to do is first pull these window seals down. You could just kind of grab them and just kind of wiggle them down. They'll pop down like that. Do the inner and the outer. Get them. So there's one up here. Go ahead and pull this off. And when you pull the top one off, you'll see these rivets. There's rivets from the top view, and we're going to drill these out. So get yourself a little drill. I got like a little black carbide bit. It's better for these, and I'm just going to drill these out. You want to get a drill bit that's not too big. You don't want to like make the hole bigger inside the door. You just want to like get one that's probably about the same size as the hole that's on top of the rivets. And we're just going to drill them out. You just drill into them and push through. And once they're drilled out, you might have to pull like a little extra stuff out. But we're going to do this all the way through, and this will become loose after you do them all. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and do them all. And you could also remove this right here, because this kind of goes on top of that a little bit. So you can pull this off, and here's one down here. So once you get all the rivets drilled out, this should be really loose, and you can pop it off just like this. There's little end pieces. So like right here, there's like a little black clip piece on the end. So make sure you get that off. It'll come off. And when you do your new one, you're going to need to get the rivets. I got these from Toyota. These are the part number. And yeah, basically we're just going to put a new one on here and put new rivets in. So what I like to do is make sure this is a clean surface, make sure it's clear and there's nothing here. Any little pieces remaining, like this little black clip from the first one, go ahead and pull this off. And be careful not to damage the bottom window belt. It's easy to dent these things. You just kind of like put a little pressure on them and they dent. So I got that piece off. That should look like that. I went ahead and put my new one on, and as you can see, the new holes line up. You can get the end pieces on, like the little clip. This one goes like this. This little black plastic panel piece goes over it. And then down here, you could just clip this into place. And this will also help hold it still while you're putting the rivets in. Just go ahead and pop this in. Alright. And your holes should be lined up. Like, they shouldn't be really off at all. You should be able to easily put rivets in these. So I got my rivets and my rivet gun. Make sure you got the right the right little rivet head gun part that this fits into. I don't know the size, I'm sorry, but you should be able to figure it out. You can just put it in there. Okay, so I put these in, and then what you want to do is just use your little rivet gun and put them in. If you never used a rivet gun, just look up on YouTube how to use it. I'm sure there's a tutorial out there. And do all of them, go all the way down. You could start with, like, you know, do a pattern, like the center ones first and the outer ones if you want. But once that's all in, we're going to put the seal back in. This goes back into place. Like, you should be able to just push it, and then it'll just go into place. Might have to massage it a little bit. And then same with this. We'll just go ahead and put this back in, how it goes. Just push it in, use your fingers and push it in and make it look right. And then this piece can go back on. Make sure your green clips are on the black plastic piece. And what I do is I just kind of like go underneath here. And then you might have to like kind of like maneuver this a little bit to get it in, to clip in. I had to maneuver a little bit to get under here. But yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. And I believe I have a video about the lower window belt as well. So thanks for watching. See you next video.